distance between two consecutive crests in a wave plane is produced at 10 centimeter. This lambda is telling 10. And 4 complete wave path pass through a point per second. Calculate the velocity of wave. Velocity is n lambda. Lambda is the wavelength, n is the frequency. He tell you how many times 4 complete waves pass through per second. That means frequency in this case n is equal to 4. Wavelength, lambda wavelength is given 10 centimeter because distance between two consecutive crests in a wave plane 10 centimeter. So what is the V? V is equal to n lambda. V is equal to n lambda. Only here you should know the formula. Otherwise the problem is very easy one. So 10 into 4 is equal to 40 centimeter per second. 40 centimeter per second. The other velocity. If you know this weapon, this lambda, this n, you can complete the problem. Completed.